Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your Android phone. So all you have to do is go down from the top right and go to settings right here. Go to connections and then select that and go to your Wi-Fi. You can just tap Wi-Fi. So you can see I'm currently connected to my Wi-Fi. Go to settings right next to it. And now if we want to share our network, we have the options right here. We can go to share network and we can type in this code here to reveal it. And we can just share it now with, a message or something like that if we have this option on our phone. But the easiest way is probably just by revealing the password right here. Just go to the little eye and you'll see your password for your Wi-Fi. And then you can just give it to someone. Otherwise, you can go to QR code right here. And if you type this in, okay, we should be able to reveal. Here's my option for my QR code. So I can just go to my camera option now, tap this. And I can just go over it, and I can just select my router name, and it should connect me now automatically. Now, if you don't have the option right there, you can try scrolling down from the top and look for the option just under your buttons. And I have an option for a QR code scanner right here, and I'm able to just connect. Boom, right there. It'll bring me the same option. Otherwise, Google does have Google Lens. If you have Google Lens on your phone, you can just try typing in Google Lens or search your Google folder or something like that for Google Lens. Otherwise, you can go to the Google Play Store, go to search, and just type in QR code scanners, and you can find some that are free, and you can scan it with that. Otherwise, like I said, Google Lens, I've used that in the past to scan QR codes, Google Lens. So just look at these different options, and they'd work. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.